The death of Charlie Kirk is a reminder how we should always promote peaceful dialogue and discussion and condemn senseless violence. As somebody who disagreed with Charlie Kirk on many of his stances, we always reached out to him to have a peaceful discussion. And when I see such violence, I condemn it. I feel sympathy for his young children that are left behind, for his family and the agony that they must be going through. And as a Muslim, I am not quick to judge. When I see a Caucasian man being dragged away in handcuffs, I'm not quick to blame Christians or Caucasian Americans or anybody else. I'm going to wait till the facts come out to condemn whoever was behind this. And at the same time, I am puzzled by the fact that within minutes, President Donald Trump and Joe Biden and others were offering their tweets of sympathy and condemnation. But when children in Gaza die every single day, innocent little children that have nothing to do with anything, we don't see such sympathy from anybody. Why is one life worth more than another? We as Muslims wish peace all over the world. In America, we hope that people don't resort to violence, people resort to sitting down and having peaceful conversations. Dialogue is the way to solve issues.